Hi, in this video I will show you how to publish your prompt in PromptBase. Maybe you know already, PromptBase is a prompt market where you can buy or sell prompts. Uh, Mostly I sell my prompts. I don't buy prompts because I create prompts by myself in Midjourney. This is my prompt, colorful arrangements. This is my images which I made with Midjourney. Colorful arrangements and decoration for part of body you can use for advertising of your product or to decorate your own pets of yourself. Pets, for example, if you have hamster. Uh, for each prompt has each image has the same description, only different keywords. For example, in this prompt, keywords is nails and butterfly. Another prompt is face and fruit, juicy fruit, and so. For example, if you write texture is the same. You create texture and you make description, the same description for each prompt, only different keywords. What kind of this donuts, shoe, or palette, or lipstick, stift, and you can just use your own keyword and create your prompt, different and a new prompt. For example, this texture you can use like wallpaper for cafe if you have a bakery shop or in a kitchen or for children room, or you can use like wrap paper. So this is my account, all prompts which was approved. Uh, it takes a time. When you publish a prompt, in 2 days, your prompt will be approved of the client. You will see this. Takes a time, and then in 3 days, your prompt will published. Earlier was different. My prompt was published in 1 day, but now in 3 days. Maybe now it's more crowded, or maybe still holidays. And for example, you can see Midjourney prompts here of Leonardo, which made images in Leonardo. Hmm. Looks different. Midjourney Leonardo looks different. And how to create a prompt? You have to upload 9 images. Have to write a text. For example, fashion photo shoot of woman from Monaco. Woman from Monaco is keywords. You can write Kent from Malta. Front view full of family body shape with face and legs. You can write cat body with cat's bottom. A woman is wearing a pink outfit, fashion high heels with strawberries. Oh, you can write something different. Cat uh, in a some dress, in a special dress. I don't know, kind of. Uh, Testing prompt. You just write a prompt which the buyer can test. Fashion photo shoot of man from Malta instead of woman from Monaco. You write in keyword man from Malta. Front view full of man's body. You can write, of course, not front view but back view. But I leave front view. Of man's body shape with face and legs. Man is wearing yellow outfit fashion with limo. And then parameters. You will see the aspect ratio 9:16 style raw, version 6, quality 5. Version 6 or version 5.2 of Ninja, you have to write. This is very important. Of course, if you make your prompt is with these parameters, with all parameters which you use for your prompts, you have to write because parameter is very important. They can change the image totally. And then you write a suggestion, instruction. Write the name of brand of dress, color of shoes, name of city, of contact me if you have any questions. So you can write what you want. And of course, you can see here a video how to publish your prompt. In my first video, I showed how to create a prompt. And now this is my second video, I tell you how to sell your prompt. Of course, you can buy prompt. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any question, you can write a comment. And and tell me in what kind of software you use, DALI or Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. What kind of software you like more? I used Leonardo. Maybe I used just maybe 1 hour. I didn't try Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion looks perfect. Also very beautiful. It's perfect. Such images you can create with Midjourney. If you use Niji 5. They have version 5, version 5.2. You have version 6, and you have version of Niji 5. You can in this settings put for example Niji. In Discord, if you're working in Discord, Midjourney, you can in the parameters change the settings. In settings, change the parameter. And you also can see here ChatGPT. People use ChatGPT. Yeah, and also GPT sell him. Look, what kind of soft you like more? Of Lima? Oh, can't read this prompt. Lima. No, can't read this prompt. Oh, no, I can't. This is prompt. Dali, the hottest picture which was made it in Dali, and Leonardo. Some soft is for free. Midjourney cost $8 a month, which is a basic version. But you need to privacy, of course. If you need privacy, if your account have to be closed from public, then you have to buy a better standard version for 13 for $30 in month. You can buy also for 1 year or for 1 month. Try with 1 month. You will see. In website of Midjourney, you will find all information. Or if you want, I will tell you in next video. Bye.